Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that can transform the way you manage your personal and business finances. It's all about budgeting. Once you've diligently tracked your expenses, figuring out how much to allocate to each category for your budget can feel overwhelming. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces, making it harder to get a clear picture of your expenses and understand everything in one go. In this video, we'll introduce you to a powerful tool that can supercharge your budgeting journey, the SmartBudget Pro. This comprehensive template provides practical budget techniques and guidance to help you effectively manage your finances. It simplifies the budgeting process by offering pre-built templates for famous budget techniques such as the 50-30-20 rule, zero-based budgeting, and envelope budgeting. These templates include monthly views for tracking your income and expenses, allowing you to easily calculate your budget for each category. Whether you're just getting started with budgeting or looking to optimize your existing system, SmartBudget Pro is an excellent resource that can help you achieve your financial goals. Let's dive right into these templates and show you each one of them. Introducing the 50-30-20 rule, the famous and easiest budget technique. Achieve balance in your finances, enjoy life, and save money. Let's create a budget for May 2023 together. To begin, input your total income for the month. For example, let's say it's $5,000. The template will automatically calculate how much you should allocate to each section: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. With this breakdown, you'll have a clear picture of how much to allocate to each category, helping you make informed financial decisions and achieve your financial goals. You can allocate your income across different categories within each section: needs, wants, and savings. Make sure that the total allocated within each section matches the percentage recommended: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. By carefully distributing your income based on these proportions. As you can see, I have now added all the categories in my life and set the budget for each one. The total budget for each section should match the percentage allocation according to the 50-30-20 rule. If done correctly, the balance should be zero, indicating that you are on the right path to achieving financial balance. The power of the zero-based budgeting method. Allocate every dollar of your income towards specific expenses and give each dollar a purpose. Let's create a budget for May 2023 together. As you can see, it is crucial to maintain a balance of zero. Add your incomes in the income section. Then add the categories of expenses as needed in your life. Now that we have an income of $6,500 for this month, we need to distribute it among these categories. I have prioritized the most important categories, starting with mortgage, followed by savings, emergency fund, debt repayment, and retirement. After that, I have allocated funds to cover other essential expenses in our life. After I finished, you see still have money available, need to find way to it, and the feedback said must total be zero. So I have allocated more money to some categories. There is still more left, so I allocated it to retirement savings. Now the balance is zero, and the live feedback says, "You're balanced." That means you're on the right path. Envelope budgeting. Allocate cash for specific expenses. Focus on essentials, avoid overspending, and stay on budget. Let's create a budget for May 2023 together. To begin, input your total income for the month. For example, let's say it's $5,000. For this budgeting method, you can independently allocate your income to specific amounts inside digital envelopes for each category. Now, we have transformed traditional envelopes into digital ones, allowing you to set and manage your budget using the money tracker template that I created before. After adding the categories and budgeted amounts for each one, the remaining money automatically becomes your savings. It is essential to promptly transfer these funds to your savings account for better financial management. And there you have it. We've explored the world of budgeting and introduced you to the powerful SmartBudget Pro Template. Remember, budgeting is a journey, and it's never too late to start. With the SmartBudget Pro Template and Money Tracker template as your guide, you'll have the tools and guidance you need to make informed financial decisions and achieve your goals. So, what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the SmartBudget Pro Template today and unlock the path to financial success. Start budgeting smartly and watch your financial dreams become a reality. You can find the link in description section. Thank you for joining us in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content with Notion. Until next time, happy budgeting!